Hi guys, it's me UBprogrammer, and in this video we will talk about the async functionality in the Flask. If we want to use async functions in Flask API or app, right? Here I have an Flask application which is running on my local server. You can see the address. I will use Postman to hit the server. Okay, and before starting it, if you are working on any custom project, you can let me know on the WhatsApp or mail me on this email address to discuss about the project if you want me to contribute in that. Okay, all the links are in the description. Let's get started with the video. Let me define this scenario here, what we are trying to do. We have a function which will take a lot of time. I'm just using sleep for the demo purpose, but if you are hitting, let's say, OpenAI API or something heavy, which will take really um, uh, considerable amount of time, let's say 5 or 7 minutes, right? Then you will create a function and you will return a job ID or anything related to that function immediately whenever you hit that route. I have this route run. I will I will use post method to hit this route and get the job ID instantly, right? So 456, whatever the job ID you will create, you will get that instantly. And meanwhile, I will start this function asynchronously, right? So using threads, I will start this function, which is async task, and daemon is true, which will execute this function in the background. Let's see how it will look like. So what we are returning here, job ID and this, we should get this immediately. Let's see. Okay, we got this immediately, and now our function has started. So it will you can see asynchronous task started, which is this line, after 3 seconds of sleep, and after 3 seconds it completed the task. But the post request is successfully resolved before even completing this function. So this process is totally async. It will go to other bucket of execution, and your main execution will start uh, like line by line, right? So return will execute right after initiating this process. Okay, so I hope you understand this scenario here, because after OpenAI, and if you are using GPT-4, it will take a lot of time to resolve. You have to do something like that. Okay, so that's it for this video. I hope this will help some of you. Thank you. I will meet you in the next one.